Hi there, I'm Wendy from So Wendyful and I bring you snippets from my stitchery. Thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you enjoy this upcoming video. So this video is a continuation from one of my very early videos on the channel about how I put together a Donna Jordans Jelly Roll Race Quilt out of lovely Liberty quilting cotton. Now I only did the quilt top in that video. This one I'm going to take you through the actual quilting and the binding, and then finally I will give you a little snippet of what it looks like on the CamperVan bed, because that's what this quilt is for. Again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you see, please like it and do subscribe and hit that notification button so that you are notified every time I put up a new video. Fabric, which is called the Riviera Collection, so I did want to do something that looks wave-like. Machine is quite fat, and I'll just bring around here and it just slots in here. We've probably done this before anyway, and then we can just move it up, and it's nice and firm there, and don't have it down hard on the fabric, just have it a little bit above so it glides along. You can see the seam guide there. Let's just pop this guy out of the way rather, and let's see how we go. See, all we'll have to do is line it kind of in the middle of that, and we should get an okay kind of seam line. Let's pull that through and have a little look. That's not too bad, is it? Well, it's the next morning, and as you can see, what a stunning day it is. This is the thing that we love about spring, isn't it? Spring in New Zealand. One day it's the middle of winter, and the next day it's the middle of summer. I'll just quickly show you the view, and then we can talk about the quilt top, which I'm getting so close to finishing. Sorry about the camera wobble, but isn't that absolutely stunning? And now I have to hide it by pulling down my blind, but that's fine. I've had to pull both blinds behind me down because it's such a bright morning. Okay, now as you can see, I've probably got about a quarter left to go, so really good progress today. I hope to have finished it. Maybe even, yeah. So we did have a few glitches as we went yesterday. I'm going to bring you around in a minute, but I'll just point this culprit here. This is my walking foot, and every now and then it did its naughty thing and popped out, and what happens is my serpentine stitch gets really quite tight, and often that's the only way I can notice it. I must be doing something not right, so I'll go and do some YouTube searches on manual for my machine and see if I can fix that. Or leave a comment below if you have a solution for a naughty walking foot that keeps on popping out. Okay, let's go. First up, check that naughty walking foot. Yeah, that's looking all right. And now I'm doing a lap of victory, where you go around the entire quilt, right at the edge here, just to hold it all in place so that you can trim all of that surplus wadding and backing up and getting it, preparing it for your binding. So here we go. My binding seam is around 3/8 this time. Here we go. Take it slowly towards the ends. Now I'm going to stitch to about 3/8 from the edge, because that's my seam, kind of around about here. I'll just put a little mark on it with my measurer. I'm going to stitch to about there. There, where's my mark? Completely wrong. Let's just do a finger. Okay. Yep. That's looking good. About that far. That corner there, this is the corner we want to miter. So hands are a bit in the way here. Okay, so I'm going to fold it up at a 45-degree angle, like so, to the edge here, and down here, and then this one I'm going to bring straight down, so it's like even here. You see, it's folded up and folded down, and then we're just going to carry on our seam. There it is there, and it will be ironed down. It will look absolutely beautiful.